It's time to bake, the last step of our process. Let's go get our Dutch oven. It's been in my oven, preheating to 500 degrees. In goes our bread. I used to put some ice cubes in my Dutch oven, but I'm not sure that it makes a real difference, so I don't do that anymore. So into the oven it goes at 500 degrees for 30 minutes with the cover on. Let's go. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Good morning, Tina. 30 minutes, starting now.
It's been 30 minutes, and this is when we take the cover off. We lower the oven to 450 degrees and bake for another 10 minutes or so, depending on how brown you like your loaf. Moment of truth. This is my favorite part. Ooh, yeah. That's a nice little rise. Back in she goes for another 10 minutes. It's been 9 minutes and I'm happy with the color on this loaf. It is beautiful. And now, what is widely known as the hardest part of sourdough. You must wait a minimum of an hour before you cut into this loaf. It's not finished cooking. It's out of the oven, but it's still doing some baking here. Give it an hour and then you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Listen to the crunch. And now for the crumb reveal. Are you ready? I haven't seen it yet. You're gonna see it with me. I think it looks pretty good. Nice even crumb, soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. Just the way I like it.